Well, it's the final phase of polling, and just 3 days before the mega verdict, the India bloc held a key meet at Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge's residence, a show of strength, as they have called it. Discussions were held around the counting day future strategy, among other key issues. Among those in attendance were Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Akhilesh Yadav, Farooq Abdullah, Sharad Pawar and Arvind Kejriwal. After the meeting, Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge confidently claimed the India bloc will win at least 295 seats. You can see the victory signs being flashed by leaders on your screens as well. However, two key leaders of the alliance, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, were not part of the meeting. When asked about this, Mallikarjun Kharge snapped back, saying, "Why are you trying to create division where there's only unity?"
इंडिया गठबंधन कम से कम 295 सीटें प्लस 295 से ज्यादा आएंगे, कम तो नहीं आएंगे। ये हमने आकलन किया कि सभी हमारे नेताओं से पूछने के बाद ये एक आंकड़ा हमारे पास मिला है और इस आंकड़े में कोई बदलाव नहीं है। सरकारी सर्वे तो होते हैं क्योंकि उनके पास बहुत से आंकड़े बनाने का, बिगाड़ने का ये पहले से भी है और उनके चंद जो मीडिया के दोस्त हैं उसको हाई फाई करके वो भी लोग बताते हैं। इसीलिए हम आपको सत्य बताना, रियलिटी बताना, जनता का क्या मन है, जनता जो कहती है वो हम आपके सामने रख रहे हैं।
कहना क्या है कि इंडिया गठबंधन की सरकार बनने जा रही है। आप खुद सोचिए, वो जो समुद्र की तरफ चेहरा करके बैठे हैं, सच्चाई तो ये है कि उन्होंने पीठ कर ली है जनता की तरफ। इस बार जनता भी उनके खिलाफ खड़ी हो गई।
ये बताएं कि अभी जो इंडिया गठबंधन की बैठक हुई, एक नंबर तो निकल कर आया जो खड़गे कह रहे हैं। आपको क्या लगता है बिहार में जिस तरह से आपने
बिहार में सफा चट हो गई भाजपा, सफा चट, वो कहीं नहीं जीतने जा रहे और विदाई तय है मोदी जी के इस बार।
And I'm being joined by my colleague Sabyasachi at this point. Sabyasachi, India bloc leaders going ahead and flashing their victory signs, but quite a tough challenge ahead for them.
Well, definitely. It's going to be a tough challenge for the India bloc alliance, but at this particular point, they seem confident. And while Mallikarjun Kharge was speaking after the meeting, he said that the meeting lasted for 2.5 hours and the alliance spoke on multiple issues and specifically the polls. And he said that the alliance also spoke on the weaknesses of the alliance during the elections and what lessons that they have learned during this time. And they also discussed on the preparation for the counting day, and they have said that they have taken a decision that today BJP and their friends will discuss a lot on exit polls and will give a narrative, and we want people to know the truth. And that is the reason why, if you see, the Congress party has taken a U-turn. See, yesterday, the Congress party had announced that they would not participate in the exit polls debate, citing the narrative that goes on in the TV news channel. But at this particular time, the Congress has changed its narrative after discussion with the India Alliance partner.
Right.
Because most of the leaders who were over there were of the perspective that the India Alliance partner should participate in the debate. But the Congress says that they are confident that they are going to win around 295 seats. And they have spoken with all the alliance partners and what exactly number of seats that they are going to win, and the number stands at 295. Now, the alliance partner says that they are extremely confident, but tomorrow they will likely go to the ECI regarding the polls. They have said that
absolutely,
Sabyasachi, the ECI on the counting day regarding the postal ballots, so that it should be counted first.
Sure. Thank you very much, Sabyasachi, for bringing us those details. It's time for a very short break on